I want to show you how you can turn ChatGPT into your personal operating system for your life or for your business. We are in the AI era, and knowing how to leverage AI tools to stay productive is something everyone should care about. So, this tutorial is to show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to schedule tasks. I send it on an errand, I tell it what I want, and then it does exactly what I have asked it to do. So, how do you turn ChatGPT into a personal operating system? That is exactly what this tutorial aims to show you. So there are a couple of things you can do with ChatGPT beyond asking ChatGPT for prompt to refine your post, to maybe generate image for you, or even craft posts for you. There is much more to ChatGPT. Now let me show you some of the previous tasks I have scheduled with ChatGPT. Let me go to setting and then schedules, click on manage. So these are some of the things I have scheduled with ChatGPT. So every morning ChatGPT sends me a motivation, talk to get me started for the day. I have also asked it to go find me news on AI news, so I can stay updated. I also scheduled EdTech news brief because I want to know what is happening in the EdTech space. So these are the things I have scheduled with ChatGPT. Now, instead of me always, surfing the internet to find news on AI, what is trending, what is, happening in the AI space, ChatGPT does it for me. Let me quickly show you how you can schedule tasks with ChatGPT. Currently, there's no button where you can go to schedule a task. You just type in your prompt and then ensure that it's understood what you say. So I'm just going to paste in my prompt because I want ChatGPT to, provide me with 7-day content every Sunday. So every Sunday, it will provide me with content for the entire week. That's what I want to schedule. So every Sunday by 6 p.m., provide me with 7-day content that I can share for the entire week. Now, let me paste in my prompt. So, this is my prompt. I would like you to schedule a weekly task. Every Sunday by 6 p.m., generate a 7-day content calendar for my brands, Chismart NG, and my personal brand, Blessing Iroha. So the content should focus on AI for education, Canva tutorials, smart work, and all of that. So this is my prompt. So at the end of every prompt, usually I would always include "Do you understand?" because I want ChatGPT to be able to understand. I want to be sure that it understood my assignment, the assignment I have asked it to do. So now I'm going to go ahead to send my prompt and let's see if it understood the assignment. So got it. So every Sunday, it will generate and send a 7-day content calendar by 6 p.m. every Sunday. So I have scheduled this task. If for any if for any reason I want to delete the task, I can always come back to the conversation and click on this to delete the task. I can also pause the task, edit the task if I want. So this is how you can, convert ChatGPT to your personal operating system. So every Sunday, it sends me a notification of the 7-day content it has provided. I get a notification on my email. There are a number of tasks you can schedule. I've shown you the ones I scheduled with ChatGPT. There are several things you can schedule with ChatGPT. Just send it on an errand. ChatGPT is at your service. It is not just a chatbot. I have stopped seeing ChatGPT as a chatbot. I now see it as a co-founder, as a partner, as a colleague, someone I can brainstorm with, someone I can send on an errand. So now you've seen how I scheduled my task. So if you want this exact prompt, you can comment prompt in the comment section and I'll give you the exact prompt I use to schedule this task. All right. So this is how I stay productive. This is how I work smart without burning out using ChatGPT. See you on my next tutorial. If you found this valuable, kindly give me a like, a comment, and even share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. All right. See you on the next one.